guys, for today's video, we'll be talking about how to customize the intro template that I have right now. So actually you can see this template in the YouTube, so you can, I think you've already seen this, but you just don't know how to do this. So good thing I'll be making a tutorial for this today. So hope you will get the knowledge about how to customize this one. Okay, let's start with opening our KineMaster app. Okay, so for this tutorial, it's just so easy, guys. All the steps are very easy, but while doing this project, it may take a while since I'm doing the tutorial here. So okay, so just need to select the intro that I mentioned a while ago, which is in my export folder, since it was a compilation of intros, and I just grab it here and just to save the intro that I want to have focus. So if you don't have this intro, guys, I'll be providing a link in the description below for you to download alongside with the tutorial for you to know or how to customize this one. Okay, for this one I will be adding the okay for a good viewing or a good animation framing, so I'll be try to pinch this one, okay, to be exact in the animation. So let's try have the layers. Our layers will be depend on you. It depends whether you have the name of your channel, or you can have any logo you want, or the logo of your channel. So in my case, I have one logo on my channel, which is here in the lower part of the folder. Okay, so we have this. And for this one, guys, so we'll be looking at the okay, we'll try to make it smaller first. So we'll be looking at the movement of the animation. So I think we could have a fade here. Okay, this part around 1.991. So just put the bookmark over there and cut this one. So we have in the 1 seconds point 9 1 seconds point 991 milliseconds, so that's it. Okay, so let's go on with the framing for the animation. Okay, let's start with okay, I think we're good to go to start in here. Okay, and just lock this one, and then we just need to put it there. It's so hard to control this one, guys, since it's too tiny. So let's try our best to put it in a line. Okay, okay, I think that's good enough. And just move a little bit here and just look out for the frame movement. Okay, so it's so small, but with this animation you don't need to be exact actually, so you can have okay, think that's not in the middle, but I think we're good to go for that. So next, okay, so next frame will be here. Okay, so the steps, guys, are very simple, but it takes time to follow the animation. I think I get wrong from something here. It's too big. Okay, and move a little bit here, and then just
follow the flow of this animation. I think the logo that I have right now will blink after this, since I've been resizing a couple of times. Sometimes it'll be smaller and sometimes it'll become bigger, so I'll be fixing that after this one. Okay, just follow the frames, and also the video frames, or this intro is not in the middle, so you get trouble in following this one, since there is a guide which in which this logo will be on the center part of the screen, but our intro template is not in the center, so that's the problem there, guys. But we can handle that. Just okay, do not skip your frames for you to have a good animation. Okay, and then go here in the next frame. Okay, just fill it in the circular part of the animation. Okay, that's the first frame, and the second frame, just a little movement of your fingers, guys. We also have a good animation. Okay, so just stick with the movement. Okay, and also monitor the size of the graph there for you to have a fit of your logo here. So we'll be also doing this one, and okay, just go down and just abstract. Okay, I think we're gonna have smaller. Okay, and next, so we have the frames lower here. Okay, okay, here. So just click after the animation, guys. If you don't need to resize your logo, so you just stick on that. Okay, a little movement here. Okay, and we'll try to resize this one if it will be good. Okay, just move a little bit and then movement. Just resize. Just move it.
Other one. Oh, so that's it. And I think that'll be good, guys. And for the out animation, we have this out animation of, I think we have fade. And for the fade, we'll have, oh no, I haven't set the time here, so okay, I think we'll have it max. Okay, let's get back to our animation if it fits. Okay, so sometimes there is something delay on the movement of our logo. Okay, so at the start, okay, we'll try to have this as our first start, but here it's bigger and bigger, so we'll put it in there. Okay, just put it there. Okay, okay, there is a trouble doing this one. I think I have created the rotation, and the rotation is saved. As you observe, guys, the rotation has been saved there. So I think I should have to hide this one. Okay, just try to play this one. Okay, I think that's good enough, guys. So but the next part will be doing the last light here. Actually, there is some part of the animation here, which, okay, this one, a light, feeding light here. So in this part, okay, we'll add the same picture. I forgot to put it twice when I started this video, but okay, I will just import it again. So that is in our Pixlab folder. So we'll be looking again the Pixlab folder. Sometimes, guys, I just pass on the folder since it's just like I'm looking for something else and I'm looking that folder, but my mind is looking for something. That's the problem here, guys. Sometimes I lose the control of my mind. So we'll be looking again at the same logo. Okay, so we have it here. So the spotlight starts there and it fades here. So we don't need to have any out and in animation for this one since we will have the blending here. We'll be just doing the blending. So for example, we have it as darken, blending to darken. So here, okay. So your image will slowly immerse upon the light, right? So okay, I think that's good. Okay, let's start with this one. So just don't forget, guys, that I'm using here the blending of darken. Okay, let's try to play this part here. Okay, that's it, and we'll get back to the last animation. So we'll try to get a blending here. Okay, as you have observed, guys, the animation is something like delayed, so actually you can add here can move. Okay, so but we just don't need to be afraid of that, so that will be good during the run of the animation. So we don't need to be exact, by the way. So we'll try to have a same blending here. So as you have seen here, it is been cropped, but that'll be fine too. Okay, okay here guys, while the animation runs, in the part where there is no logo, okay, here in this part, after our image fade, we'll try to have here our name. But I know that you can do it by yourself, guys. So today I will not be showing you creating the text or your name into the middle of our animation. But I know you can do that. So this this is the tutorial for today, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get updated for my upcoming videos. So thank you and God bless. That's all for today. Bye bye.